Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us. Happening now, Starr County taking on the state's top law enforcement agency.
As we reported, the Texas State Attorney General claims a dead man voted in Starr County, not once, but 3 times. Starr County leaders deny that claim. Valerie Gonzalez got her hands on the voting records. Valerie, what did you find out?
Today, we received records from Starr County showing who voted and when. Those records didn't match what the AG's office reported to lawmakers. We questioned the AG's office. It issued a statement saying at least one dead person voted in Starr County, and it will pursue the individuals responsible. In February, before a room full of senators, Deputy First Assistant Attorney General Brantley Starr spoke before the Committee on Election Fraud.
One shout out to a voter in Starr County, a retired district judge born in 1930. By the time 2010 rolled around, he was 80 years old and has voted still 3 times since then, to the best of our knowledge, county judge. The interesting thing that's remarkable about him voting 3 times in his 80s is he died in May of 2010.
Starr County's attorney sent them a letter in late March. In it, they call the allegation made by the Attorney General's office patently false. Attached to the letter are the former judge's voting records. They also attached the records for his son and grandson, Blas Chapa Jr. and Blas Chapa III. They believe the AG's office got the names and the people who voted confused. We obtained records from the Secretary of State's office and the county. The Secretary of State's records indicate Blas Chapa Sr., Blas Chapa Jr., and Blas Chapa III have a current active status. Their records and the county's also show the last time former Judge Blas Chapa voted was March 2010, 2 months before his death. The Blas Chapas who voted after his death were his son and grandson. Records show Blas Chapa III voted 1 time after March 2010. Chapa Jr. voted 10 times since. We spoke to Blas Chapa Jr. He tells us the news caught his family by surprise. They didn't know how or why anyone would use his father's voter identification. Channel 5 reached out to the Attorney General's office. We asked for an explanation. This is what we received. County election administrators face many challenges in keeping up-to-date voter rolls, including removing dead voters from the rolls. State law focuses the role of the Attorney General on election crimes. We are less concerned about election administrators doing their best than on fraud that people can use to exploit an imperfect voter roll. At this juncture, our office can confirm there are dead voters on the rolls in Starr County. But more importantly, we can confirm at least 1 instance of a dead person actually voting in Starr County. We will pursue the individuals responsible for any fraudulent votes and strive to bring them to justice. No mention of who that dead voter might be or when charges might be filed. The district attorney for Starr County confirms his investigation of the voter records did yield a vote by a dead person. He says it was not Blas Chapa. To read Starr County's complete letter sent to the Attorney General's office, you can visit our website at krgv.com. In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 10.